Welcome back, Cat 5 class. Today we're going to go over Chapter 4, Creating Blocks in AutoCAD. There are no new assignments. You can keep working on your current handout unless you're already done. Okay, so this is a handout from the last class session when we first started Chapter 4. Okay, there are no new assignments for Chapter 4, just this one handout. Okay. All right, so we're going to learn how to create blocks in AutoCAD. So what's a block? Here's a quick example. You can draw whatever you like, and you can join it as one entity and it'll create a block. So you draw all your elements and then you're going to join them all together. We're not going to use the join command. We're going to use the block command to save this entity. It'll save it as one entity and then we can use it over and over again. Okay, so let's continue on. Okay, now AutoCAD does contain a library of blocks. Okay, so to take a look at them, we're going to go to the View tab. And we'll check out some of the tabs here. So there's a tab for architecture, construction, modeling, annotations, electrical, mechanical, civil, structural, etc. Okay, so there's some blocks already in AutoCAD. So to access these blocks, click on Tool Palettes after you've gone to the View tab. Go to Tool Palettes, give it a few seconds. It'll load the library, and you can pick from these existing blocks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just use an existing AutoCAD file that I currently have open. Okay, so let's go over to Annotate tab. Oh, my mistake. Go back. View tab. My mistake. View tab. Okay, so go to the View tab. Okay, so let's go to Tool Palettes. Click on it. Give it a few seconds to load the library, and here we go. We have the library. This is very useful for architecture, not so much for mechanical, but for architecture. It's awesome because they have doors, trees, toilets, windows, etc. Even a car, aluminum windows. Let's go ahead and insert a aluminum window. So I am in the architectural tab. I'm going to go ahead and insert a window. Let me zoom out. Obviously this window is a lot larger than I expected. There it is. I'm just going to click anywhere and locate this window. Click. Okay, so let me double click on the wheel to do a zoom fit. So there's my window. Okay, cool thing about this window or this block, you can click on it and you can change it to a standard size. It can be a smaller size or a larger size. So these are standardized windows that you can easily order. Right? Okay, so there's a window. Let's insert a door. Okay, so we'll insert a door, and these are also standard doors. Oh, and it comes in with its own color. Okay, so let me place a door next to the window. I'm just going to guesstimate the location, right? Now let's put it here. Okay, so there's our door. And once again, we can click on the door. Let me move this over a little bit. I'm going to left mouse hold on and just drag it over. Okay, so we can click on the door and it'll give us standardized sizes, as you can see. Okay, let's go back to the window. Let's take the window and make it larger. Bam, there it is. Okay, let me hit escape to deselect. So these are blocks that somebody created and added these to our library of blocks. So let's see, we can also add a toilet, right? Maybe this is the restroom. Okay, let's add a toilet. Okay, let's say this is a fancy restroom, right? There it is. There's your toilet. If I click on it, they should have some. Ooh, they got different styles. Elongated plan, elongated side. Let's look at it from the side. Bam, there it is from the side. It's facing the wrong direction, but round or oval, elongated oval. Okay, so top view. Oh, didn't get a top view. Front view, there it is. Okay, so pretty cool. Hit escape to deselect. So there's our toilet. And let's say you wanted to make a fancy restroom. Maybe it's the master restroom. Let's insert some shrubbery, right? Trees. Okay, maybe you're in a fancy casino, right? So this would be a top view of a tree, for example, right? Okay. Let's go ahead and add a car. So I'm just randomly picking items to insert. Hey, there's a vehicle here. Click on vehicle. And hey, there we go. We have a vehicle. And click. And this looks like a Pontiac. I don't know. Is it a GTO? I don't know. 68.